Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix problem with your Google when you see in your Play Store that actually pan in error, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, let's go to the settings. In the settings you just need to open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to turn off airplane mode and just turn it on again. So just turn off and turn on and turn off again. So after you can try to check free space, so just write in the search storage. Here you can also just check free space on your phone, and the latest option you can try also to sign out from your Google account and just sign in again. So also you can try to clear cache in your app, so just open apps here, and here you just need to find in the list, just tap on see all and just find your Play Store, so just clear cache from there. So after just try to restore your phone, so just tap on power button and just restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.